Today we'll be multiplying rational numbers. Basically, it's another way of saying multiplying fractions. There's some steps you can follow. First, you need to cross-cancel, multiply straight across, and simplify if needed. If you cross-cancel correctly, you will not have to do step 3. Here's your first problem. 6 sevenths times 7 ninths. First, let's see what can cross-cancel. Well, the 7 and the 7 each become a 1 because they can both be divided by 7. You can always cancel one thing from the top with one thing from the bottom in a multiplication problem. Next, look at the 6 and 9. They can both be divided by 3. So, the 6 becomes a 2, the 9 becomes a 3. Next, multiply straight across. You get 2 over 3. It doesn't need to be simplified. Good job. What about multiplying mixed numbers? Well, the first thing you do before you can start on the other rules is to change them to improper fractions. Then cross-cancel, multiply straight across, and simplify if needed. More than likely on multiplying mixed numbers, you will have to simplify by changing it back into a mixed number. So try this problem. 2 4/5 times 3 4/7. First, change them to improper. Becomes 14 over 5 times 25 over 7. Now, cross-cancel. 14 and the 7 can cancel, it becomes 2 and 1. 25 and 5 can cancel, it becomes 5 and 1. Now, multiply straight across, you get 10 over 1, which turns into 10. Remember, anything over 1 is just a number on top. The harder part, though, is algebraic fractions. So, what if there's a variable? Well, you still deal with it the way you would any other number, because a variable is simply a number, and we can cross-cancel and stuff with variables as well. So, looking at this problem, first look at the numbers. What can cancel? Well, 4 and 2 can cancel, because the 4 and 2 can both be divided by 2. So let's go ahead and cancel them. 4 becomes a 2, 2 becomes a 1. Now look at the variables. Look at the letters. See the y's are the same? This one is 1y down here. This is 3y's. That's why the exponent says 3. So I can cancel one of each. Y at the bottom goes away. The y cubed becomes y squared. Now look at the x's. Same thing. The x will go away on top, and the x to the 6th will become x to the 5th. Now multiply straight across. Well, on the top I have a 2, a 7, and a y to the power of 2. On the bottom I have a 5, a 1, and an x to the power of 5. So my answer is simply 14y squared over 5x to the 5th. And I'm done. That's all for today, and as always, thank you for using Seyer Mathematics.